Hey guys, welcome to Velocity Vista. In today's episode, we're going to rate some of my dream cars with my 4-year-old cousin, Zara.
Be quiet. I'm not 4. I'm 9.
Oh, my bad. She's 9, guys. Okay. Dream status, which is it's going to be our ultimate dream car. We have mid, which is, I guess, not good enough. Then we have chopped, followed by garbage, and then brain rot. I hope none of my cars fall into brain rot, but I'm not the one deciding. So let's see how this goes. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's start. Let's start with this. So this Zara is a Toyota Crown Athlete 5 wagon. Let me just explain real quick why. It doesn't look like anything fancy before you rate it, but it has a really good engine. Okay. And it's really comfortable inside. And you can do a lot of things a sports car can do, but with the space of an SUV without being too high up on the ground. And it looks pretty good. So now, where would you put this?
It wouldn't be something I would get.
Okay, right, of course.
I would probably put it in
Did you see the categories?
the second one. I'd probably put it in the second one.
Really?
Yeah.
Like mid?
Yeah, probably.
Yo, that's actually not bad. Okay, I'll take that. Okay. All right. Ready? Next
Yeah.
one. All right. So this one is called Totem Automobili GT Super.
I like the color.
So
I like the shape.
yeah, your dad would know what the original version of this car is. It's an old Alfa Romeo that's like they restored it to make it like modern and cool, basically. Yeah. So what's this one?
I don't know. I'm thinking about middle, but I don't want to put it back in middle again. But I think I should.
Okay.
I think I should put it in middle.
So you
again.
think it's mid?
Mid? Yeah.
It's mid. Does it look mid?
Yeah.
You're saying this looks mid?
Yeah, because I like the shape and the color, and it's pretty nice.
Okay. Got it. So you put this car and the wagon both in mid.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay. All right. Well, at least nothing's in garbage or brain rot yet. Okay, next one. This is
Ooh.
2000. Yeah. So, you know my black car outside?
Yeah.
So my black car is a Honda Civic Type R, which is the FK8.
Ooh.
This is one of the original Type Rs from Honda. This is the Honda Integra Type R. So this is what started kind of all of that like Honda Type R racing, all that kind of stuff. Not that you care or know what any of this means, but it's front wheel drive, but it's so light and so quick, and it revs really high.
I put it in Dream.
Dream? Sir. Don't tell your dad. that you put that in Dream. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, next one. Next car.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. This is
It would
a
obviously
Ferrari 488
Oh, that is
GTB.
Lamborghini.
This is a
But I'd
Ferrari.
still probably put it in Dream also.
Yeah? You don't,
I
no
really
explanation,
like the
no
color.
explanation? Just straight Dream?
Yeah.
Okay,
I
alright.
love shapes like that, definitely. And I love the color.
Okay. Alrighty then.
And it's pretty cool inside. I can see through the window.
You know, I've actually driven this car twice. Once on like autocross, like in a parking lot race course, and then once on an actual racetrack.
We do not care.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I like this one a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, next one. This is a from the 90s. It's a Toyota Hilux Surf. It's an SUV. It's very boxy.
It's a Toyota, not an SUV.
Well, no, it's an SUV is just like you know your mom's your Volkswagen.
Mm-hmm.
That's an SUV.
Yeah.
It's like a type of car. A Toyota. This is a Toyota. That's also never mind.
Let me see the categories.
Oh my god. You want to see the categories? Okay.
Yeah. Probably in chopped.
It's in chopped. Why? Just because it's not.
I don't really like the color too
Okay,
much and
that's fine.
the shape.
That's fine.
Ugly.
That's fine. I don't hate. You might not sleep inside the house tonight, but I don't hate. Okay. All right, next up. Next up.
That's weird.
What?
Oh wait, this is Daddy's. Wait, isn't this Daddy's favorite dream car?
Yeah, it is his
But
dream
why
car.
is it in pink?
I don't know. I just thought that it would be cool to have it in pink. It was Ria's idea. Anyway, this is a 911. This is a Porsche 992 generation 911 GT3 RS. So,
Dream.
yes, dream. Okay. It's really not my dream car, but I know I just had to have it on here. Otherwise, I can't have a
Daddy's dream car.
Yeah, I can't really have a clickbait title if I don't have this in here anyway. All right, my actual dream Porsche. Ready?
Mhm.
Huh? Oh, that's not a Porsche. This is a Lotus Exige S.
I would put in dream.
Wow, this is a pretty easy day. I just put like my basic dream cars, you know. All right, thank you. All right, next one. This is my dream Porsche. This is also Mila's dream Porsche. She saw it in the museum and she's like, should we get that? I'm like, yeah, it's only like $2 million. Anyway, this car is actually from 10 years ago, 2015, Porsche 918 Spider.
I think I've heard Audrey's talking about this.
Yeah, Aru knows what this car is. He really likes it.
He knows all the cars. I like this one. I put in mid.
Mid? I respect it. I'll put it in mid, but I need to know an explanation why.
I don't know. I just want to put in mid.
All right, that works for me. That's a solid explanation. Okay. Okay. Oh, you know what? I thought mid was like chopped. Okay. You're good. You're good. We're straight. All right. Moving on.
Yeah.
Okay. Scared. This is a 2015 or 2014 Mercedes SLS AMG Black Series. What do you think of this?
I don't like how it's a Mercedes. I don't really like the shape. I'm putting it in chopped.
In chopped.
Yeah.
Guys, Zada's dad, my uncle, he has a C63S AMG. The Mercedes you guys have, the black one. That's a C63 AMG.
Oh.
That's like a super fast.
Yeah, no, it's super fast. It's faster than the Lotus.
In a straight line, yeah, but okay. So this is chopped?
Chopped.
That's crazy. It has gold. Look at the doors.
Yeah, I see other cars with doors like that.
Like what?
Like Lamborghinis that go straight up.
Okay. I got you. You know how much this car's worth?
How much?
Let's find out. Look. 700,000.
I thought it was gonna be $1 million, but okay.
Oh yeah, it's not $1 million. So it has to be chopped, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay. All right. Just 300,000 off from we said chopped.
Chopped.
Okay. All right.
You're lucky I didn't put any in garbage.
I mean, hey, you might. I thought you would put my Honda and my Toyota, but you didn't. So thank you. So this is a Jaguar XJ13.
It looks like a rocket ship.
Okay, well, back in the 1960s, this was a rocket ship. This was winning all of the like Le Mans endurance races.
Okay. I would put it in the last one, but you're lucky I didn't because it's a rocket ship and that's pretty cool. So I'm putting it in garbage.
Well, it didn't actually go into space.
Seriously.
What? It's an expression.
Okay, then I'm going to put it into garbage because I don't really like it.
What don't you like about it? Look how it looks so nice.
No, it doesn't. I don't like the shape.
But it's so sleek. It's so sleek.
I don't like the shape.
Okay, that's fine. She doesn't like the shape, guys. Garbage.
I'm a piece of garbage.
All right.
You're lucky only one's in
Okay.
garbage.
The adults are talking. Okay, this is my this has actually been my dream car since for a really long time. This is an Italian car. It's called a Pagani Huayra.
Yeah, it doesn't look American to me.
Yeah, because Italians have good design taste, right? Okay, see, talking my way into her mind.
I put it in dream because I really like I like how it's multicolored, and I like the shape, and the seats are really cool.
That's right. That's right. Okay. All right. I'm not even gonna.
What does those things
So
do?
this big thing in the back, that's the wing. That's the spoiler. But see these two small things?
It faster?
No, it helps keep the car planted, so that way when air is moving on it, it's keeping the car. It's pushing down on the car, so the car stays planted onto the ground, so it doesn't like start to like
lift up.
Exactly. So see these two things right here. 1, 2, and see this right here. 1, 2. See how there's like a little gap. So these are flaps that actually come up. So if the car turns left, like if the car is turning left, like one flap comes up, one flap goes down to help the car turn more.
Oh.
Like a plane. Like you know how planes like their flaps come up and down to like help turn, just like that.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah. All right. So this is S tier. This is Dream. Heck yeah. All right. Ready? Last two. All right. These last two have been my dream cars ever since I was a kid, just like this Pagani. Ready? But no hate. Okay. All right. I don't blame you for what you decide to say.
Just hit the next button.
Okay. This is I think this I don't know what year this is, but this is a Honda or Acura NSX from the 90s.
I don't like the shape.
You don't like the shape?
I don't really like the wheel.
Okay.
I don't like the color too much.
I mean, it has pop-up headlights, so the headlights come up like that.
I don't like I'll put it in chopped.
In chopped? Okay.
That's
Right.
garbage. You put in garbage.
Oh. Thank you. All right, last one. Ready?
Yeah.
And my final dream car is a Lexus LFA.
You like Lexus?
I mean, Ria Ben drives a Lexus.
I know. It looks like a BMW. I'm surprised you didn't put too much BMW, or you didn't put any. Right?
I was going to, but I was like, I'll save it for another time.
So, I don't really like the shape too much.
Okay.
It's
that's
okay.
fair.
I like that thingy.
Like the little air vent, like this thing on the side right here.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put it in mid.
Okay, I'll take that. Okay, mid it is.
That's the wrong button.
Yep, you're right. Thank you.
You're so lucky that I didn't put any in brain rot. I would have.
Should we do a spontaneous one real quick?
A what?
Should we do a spontaneous one real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next one. 1971 BMW 2002 Tii.
Is this what Daddy has?
Yes.
It looks much different. Because Daddy's one is more orangey and shiny.
Like skibbity.
Brain rot.
Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to hear. Okay. I mean, it's a really nice car.
It is, but...
It is, but okay. Alright. Last one, ready? Last bonus one. Lotus Super 7.
Is this what Daddy has also?
Yep.
It looks way different.
Yeah, it's because this one has like the brushed aluminum parts, and your dad's is like more carbon.
I'm still gonna go with brain rot.
Yeah, I know. 6, 7! Alright, gang. Thanks for watching. Any last words?
Make sure you subscribe and like and ring the bell.
Yes, ring the bell. Anyway, this is the perspective of my dream cars from a 4-year-old. So.
I'm not a 4-year-old. Wait, I'm gonna pick out my favorite one.
Okay.
I really like. I think I really like that one. I like that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really like that one.
That's the favorite for today. All right. Well, thank you guys for watching. Did you have fun?
Yes.
All right. Cool. Anything else you want to say before I end the recording?
Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a like.
Awesome.
And comment also.
Awesome. Oh yeah, comment. What would their dream car be?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And let me know if you agree with Zara's ratings.
I don't think they're gonna agree.
They might. Who knows? All right. Thank you guys for watching.